In this video, I want to go over our live versus hypothetical results for our stock index portfolio 25 in March of 2022. We employed this on March the 3rd. We are comparing the live results from the statement to the hypothetical results where we use the trading system signals and deduct slippage and commission. And so we have better live results in March than hypotheticals on the 50K portfolio, trading 1 micro on the stock index 25 and trading 6 micros for the 200K portfolio, and I'm going to explain why. So these hypothetical results are basically, for the 1 micro is 10% or 1/10 of the E-minis minus, we're subtracting $25 round turn slippage and commission, and we started live trading on the 3rd after this was already in a drawdown. We started the 200K portfolio on the 3rd, and then we started with 1 micro, and we phased in during a drawdown. So we missed some of the losses at the beginning of the month, and we had some automation errors that went in our favor, and sometimes the signals between the E-minis and micros are different, and that also went in our favor this month. So good trading month. We had a challenging start to the year, and January and February were tough. We paused in February, and we came back on March 3rd with this setup. Here is the day-to-day. So you can see we had paused trading in February. We were still paused on 1st and 2nd of March. And then on March the 3rd, this is for the 200K portfolio, we started trading 1 micro on March the 3rd. On March the 3rd, we phased in with 2 micros, or 3 micros. We started with 2 micros and phased into 3. And then we're trading 3 micros as of March the 7th. And then we phased into 6 micros on March the 8th intraday. On days like this means phased in means intraday. And so, for example, on March the 8th, we only lost 2,500, while the system lost 4,029. On the C column right here, this is the hypothetical results from the portfolio calculator, taking the trading system signals, summing them up after slippage and commission. C column is the hypotheticals. The B column is from the statement. And so this is from the brokerage statement, and this is from the portfolio calculator. And so we're basically 60% of the stock index E-minis from the portfolio calculator. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And so as of March the 9th, we're trading the full setup for the 6 micros all the way through the end of the month. Some days are a little better. Some days are a little worse. Automation errors on some days, and sometimes it goes in our favor and sometimes it goes against us, and you can see some slight differences here and there. And overall, we are up on the month and up since we've traded 6 micros. Let's see the difference between live versus hypothetical. 27,437 on March the 9th versus hypothetical 27,017. So we're still $400 better since March the 9th. Trading, live trading versus the hypotheticals. So it's important. You want to know when you trade a system and you deduct slippage and commission, or then you trade the micros, what are your live versus hypothetical results? These are what we're getting, and these live results are based on the statement, and the hypotheticals come from the portfolio calculator. And let me show you the portfolio calculator real quick. So the portfolio calculator has been updated through March the 31st. This is the stock index portfolio 25 micro, 3155 on the month, and you multiply times 6 to get the 6 micros, or you take the E-mini version and you take 60% of that to get the 200K portfolio with 6 micros. And so what we did in March was we said, look, we're going to focus on the stock indexes. We did this in February as well. We're going to focus on the stock indexes. We're going to look at the best strategies in 2020 and 21, and we're also going to look at what's working in January and February this year, and we brought that into March, and that is what we're trading right now in March. And as of April 1st, we are trading the same thing, the same setup that you see right here, the stock index portfolio 25. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.